Welcome to the topic on optimizing Angular builds and production bundles. As your Angular application grows, so does the size of your codebase. With larger codebases, it becomes essential to optimize your application's build process and production bundles to ensure faster loading times and improved performance. Let's explore various techniques and best practices to optimize your Angular builds and reduce the size of your production bundles. 1. Tree shaking. One of the most powerful techniques for optimizing your Angular application is tree shaking. Tree shaking is a process that eliminates unused code from your application during the build process. By removing dead code, tree shaking reduces the size of your production bundles, making your application load faster for end users. 2. Lazy loading and code splitting. Lazy loading and code splitting are effective strategies to improve the initial load time of your application. By lazy loading modules and components, you can delay the loading of certain parts of your application until they are actually needed. Angular's built-in lazy loading mechanism allows you to load modules on demand as users navigate to specific routes. This prevents unnecessary loading of components and modules, resulting in smaller initial bundles. 3. Angular CLI budgets. The Angular CLI allows you to set budgets for your application to ensure that your production bundles stay within specific size limits. Budgets help you keep track of your application's size and avoid unexpected increases in bundle sizes. By setting appropriate budgets, you can prevent your application from becoming too large and impacting its performance negatively. 4. AI compilation. Ahead of time, a compilation is a build optimization technique that converts your Angular templates and components into highly efficient JavaScript during the build process. This eliminates the need for the Angular compiler to be shipped to the client side. UAEO compiled applications tend to load faster because they do not require additional compilation steps in the browser. 5. Compression and gzip. Compressing your production bundles can significantly reduce their size and improve loading times. By enabling compression on your web server, you can serve gzip compressed files to the client side. Gzip compression reduces the size of your text-based assets, such as JavaScript and CSS files, without losing any information. 6. Cache control and content delivery networks, CDNs. Leveraging caching and content delivery networks can further optimize your application's loading performance. By setting appropriate cache control headers on your assets, you can instruct the client side to cache resources for a specified period. This reduces the number of requests made to the server, resulting in faster loading times for returning users. Using CDN assets can also distribute your application's static resources across multiple servers worldwide, reducing the latency for users located far from your server. Optimizing your Angular builds and production bundles is vital for delivering a fast and responsive user experience. By employing techniques like tree shaking, lazy loading, AI compilation, and leveraging caching and CDNs, you can significantly improve your application's performance.